Adding a little bit of flair to your designs can actually make it, pop or make it look more beautiful, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually achieve that using just your smartphone device. Now, with that being said, let's get right into it. Alright, so welcome back. Now for new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And for those who has not subscribed, you can do it to hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell icon so that you can always get notified whenever I drop a new tutorial like this. And with that being said, let's really get down to business. Now, this is a design I am practically going to be adding a lens flare to. As you can see, I have done this on Pixellab rather. Now I'm going to be using an app called PS Touch to actually add up the flare to our design. And then with that being said, I'll minimize now. I'm going to PS Touch so that we can get right into it. Alright, so these are like few of some of the designs I've actually done or used PS Touch to add up flair to the design to make it look good in a way, right? So as you can see right here, this is the design before without the flares. This is it now. With all the flares added all together, you can see the significant difference it can bring to your design. All right, so that being said, I'm going to move on to the design we're going to be adding a flare to. So what you're going to do when you download when you get the PS Touch, open on your smartphone, you're going to click on this icon right here, and then you're going to click on photo library, just like that, and then you're going to select the folder whereby you have the design saved on. So I recommend you saving in a folder that you can easily locate, so that you don't get to be looking for your stuffs all over the place. So click on that and click on add, and then it's going to open up the interface for us whereby we can have different tools for us to actually get work done. So with that being said, I'm going to click on this place right here, and I'm going to click on this plus icon. I'm going to click on photo layer to upload a new photo. I'm going to click on photo layer again, and I'm going to bring this flare. I'm going to select that and click on add, just like that. So I'm going to just put this here and increase it a bit, just like so. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this place, and I'm going to come right here to the layers panel and click on this layer icon right here. I'm going to change the blend mode to screen, just like that, so you can see the significant difference from it being in normal and changing into screen, just like that. So what I will do is reduce the opacity of that one, right, to let's say 60. And then what I'm going to do next is to come right here, and I'm going to click on this plus icon. I'm going to click on duplicate layer, just like that, so you can see the layer has been duplicated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this place right here, click on this, I'm going to click on transform, I'm going to make this smaller, and I'm going to place it right here, and then I'm going to click on this place to increase the opacity for that small one, just like so that we can have a main flare and something at the back to actually make the whole thing look more softer, right? Now that being done, I can actually now go ahead to duplicate this particular layer right here, and then I'm going to come right here, click on this, and then click on duplicate layer, just like so. And I'm going to come right here to click on transform to. I'm going to drag this up to this place right here, So if you want it to, be properly aligned, you can click on extra and then pixel nudge. So you can use the arrows on your screen to nudge it up a bit to where you want it to be. And just like that, we have the flare added up to our design. So you go take it a step further, but I recommend you not overdoing it. You could take it a step further to duplicate again, and then click on the transform tool. You can make this bigger, and then you can just place this here, just like so. Then I can nudge this down a bit. And there we go. So just like that, we've been able to add up flares to our background, and it's looking more fantastic than it was before. So I'm just going to turn off all the layers, the flare layers, so that you can see what we had before. This is what we had before, now this is what we have now. Sorry. This was the first flare, the second flare, and yeah, we go. So with that being done, you can now we can click on done and then save project, just like that. So you can also click on this untitled to rename the project. So I'm just going to rename this Happy New Month Design, and then click on done. Okay, name already exists. So I'm just going to click on, I'm going to rename it to something else, just like that. And they want to save it to your gallery, so that you can have access to it on the gallery. What you can do is click on this place right here, and then save to gallery, then save in PNG, because PNG is kind of like the highest file resolution, right? So you can click on this, you can select that, and then click on OK. And then you have it all saved up to your gallery, just like so. So that'll be all for this tutorial. Do it to like, do it to share, do it to also comment your thoughts, do it to know, do it to ask your questions if you have any, and do it to share to persons who are interested to learn how to create stunning designs like this using just their smartphone. Now if you're also interested in how this design was created, because everything here was created using my phone, if you're also interested in knowing how this whole design was created, you can do it to leave a comment on that, and we'll get right into it. If you want to also know how the background was created as well using my smartphone, you can also do it to let me know, and I'll make a tutorial about these things. And if you want me to do a tutorial on how this design was created from scratch, you can also do it to leave a comment down below, so that we can get right into it. So with all this being said, I'll do it to see you all in the next video. Bye for now.